is Luel, and I will be talking about the project that I did. First, I want to thank Jenna and the people and whoever gave us $150 towards our project. I've decided to make a chicken lasagna because that's the thing that I like to see my mom make because it's really good and I really like it. So I have decided to make that and learn how to make it. I will be showing you my chicken lasagna recipe. So first, I cut up some of the stuff I needed. So for the ingredients, I cut up some onions, bell pepper, chicken, garlic, and blended tomatoes. Now for the onions, cook it until 5 minutes within a pot of oil. Add chicken after the onion cooked for some time. I added the chicken on top and wait for it to cook. For the ingredients for the chicken, I put oregano, black pepper, and crushed red pepper. Stir it and wait. Leave it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And add tomatoes. Lastly, for the chicken, I put in some tomatoes. After putting the tomatoes, I stirred it and left it to cook for a good 10 minutes. And after all that, for the white sauce, I put in some butter, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, milk with 2 cups, and black pepper. And for the topping lasagna, after putting down the lasagna pasta, I added the chicken on top of each layer. And then I added the white sauce on top of the chicken. After adding the chicken, I went ahead and added some white sauce on top of the chicken. This is the final lasagna. This chicken lasagna has been in the oven for about 45 minutes in the oven for at least 300